Hello, guys, good morning. So, today's topic is in the subject BOM, okay, Business Organization and Management for BCom first years. So, today's topic is power. So, power, see what is power? Power is the capacity to influence the behavior of others. See, which influences the capacity of the others. See, if you have a power, then only you will have the ability, or else see, if you have the ability and the capacity, then only you'll be getting a power. Okay, why simply will you get a power? Is everybody in the class, or else whoever in the class who is topper can take the class, or can have a habit of lecture, or can he give a lecture on a particular topic? No, the person who is more active in the class and he is more passionate, and he can have a good communication skills, he is having all the powers to give the lecture. Because the thing of reading topper in the class, as well as the person who is average students with all such type of qualities, who is passionate and capability, having a capacity at the same time, he is very passionate and so interested, so definitely he'll be getting the power. Okay, that is nothing but a power over here in the organization of BOM. So in the business organization and management, in the business organization management, power is nothing but it is the influence the behavior of the others. It is influence behavior of the others. That take an example, a manager's power may be measured in terms of the ability to give rewards, to promise rewards, threaten to withdraw current rewards, withdraw the current rewards, threaten punishment, and to punish. See here what the plan is, what is the point of here, the explanation is. See, if you have a power, until and unless, I told you an example, right? So until and unless you have the power to do that particular work, you'll be having a power na, so you can do anything. That you can go for a reward which is in a correct way, or you can also cancel the threaten a punishment, everything. Okay, according to the work type, according to the authority given, you can have the own way of your, because you have a power over there. Who will be having the power? Take an example of your CM, PM. Okay, they will be having the power, not you and me, isn't it or not? They will be getting the ability, because they have the ability, capacity and capability, so that if they want to have a lockdown, they'll create. If not, they don't. Okay, in that way, if it is lawful, unlawful also, they charge the what do you say, punishments also in that way. Okay, which is lawful and unlawful in that way. If it is done in a lawful, it is no problem of such things. If it is not in a lawful, then there will be a problem of arising according to the power. Okay, by leading the power. Okay, next you see as in this sense, power is exercised not only to give benefits to a person for behaving in a particular manner, but also for withdrawing the benefits already given if he doesn't follow the commands. See, the point over here is, as I told you, not only for the benefits, okay, and also for the already given if he doesn't follow the commands. Okay, withdrawing the benefits already given. So power will be in such type of the organization in the BOM. Okay, let us see with the sources. What are the sources of power? We have four sources. Okay, we have some sources. Okay, legitimate power, reward power, corrective power, and the expert power. See, the same thing in the intro part of the power is explained over here in the sources way. Okay, see, first you see the legitimate power. Legitimate power is nothing but which is done in a legal way. Okay, not you and me, which is done in a legal way by the government of authority. Okay, by the central and state governments will be handling all this legitimate power. Okay, until and unless they decide the COVID pattern or COVID pandemic situation or the lockdown, all these will be done by themselves only, not you and me. Okay, that is nothing but your legitimate power. In an example I have given, but in the case of the BOM, what this says, see, the power corresponds authority when a person is lawfully entitled to exercise power over the other is called a legitimate power. So over the other, entitled to do over the other. Okay, that this influence has the authority to influence the behavior of the other person, which influences the behavior of the other persons. That is nothing but a legitimate power. It has the capacity of influencing by the other person. Okay, next one you see as reward power. See, in this power, the person who is having the capacity and capability will be in a position to give a reward, like guests. Okay, if we give a guest, if we if we call the guests, okay, invite a guest to our college or anything, so what happens, see, we will be, if the person is getting a reward now, then with whom, on the hands of the guest person only we will be giving, or else the prince or any other person. Why? Because he is having such a capability and capacity, so only he is holding that power of reward power. Is it clear? Let us go with the BOM. Okay, when a person has the power to give rewards to others for behaving or doing what the influence wants them to do. See, if you do a particular project on time, whatever has been said by the supervisor or a superior, then definitely you will be getting a reward, that a memento or a trophy or any medal or anything as a reward you will be publishing. Okay, they will be publishing. The next one, you see, since people can benefit by obeying the power of the person, they will fall in line. Okay, this is nothing but the reward power. Only those persons will be having who is capable to give a prize to the rewarded person. Okay, and also at the same time the subordinates will do it properly. For that only they were benefited by obeying the power of the person. Is it clear, guys? Next one, you see, corrective power. See, some people will be there only to give reward, some people will be there only to punish them, which is whenever there is an unlawful going on in any organization, then for such purpose the punishments will be given. So who will give that cover? He has a corrective power. Criminal police will be there, na, that who will be handling all the criminal what do you say cases. Okay, criminal cases. So he is responsible for that type of cases only, because he is a criminal. That is, here you see as corrective power, where the corrective power implies non-physical punishments. Non-physical, it is not physical. Okay, not by handling, taking into sections of different okay, not beating or anything. No, physically, it is non-physical. It is specifically mentioned over here. Corrective power in the point of the BOM includes as it is non-physical punishments. The influences has the power to punish a subordinate for not carrying out the orders. So this influences this source of power influences whenever there is not doing a particular work perfectly, then the punishment will be done by the corrective power, where it holds the corrective power. Is it clear, guys? Next one you see is expert power. This source of power includes that when a person has an expert knowledge of some kind. See, by the name itself it is knowing, over here it is as expert power. So expert power, definitely we will be having, it will be having a knowledge, talented, hyperactive, everything includes in this expert power. Like you can take an example of all-rounder. Okay, all-rounder like Dhoni, or a all-rounder, na, captain, all in that way in a cricket. Here you see as in the part of the BOM, when a person has an expert knowledge of some kind or he is specialist in a particular case, then one can influence the behavior of others. See, by having a specialist in particular case, he influences the behavior of the other. Okay, like here it is telling us expert power only on specific topic. Okay, not overall. A doctor has expert power on his patients, Production manager may yield an influence on his subordinates because of his vast experience and expertise in the specific manufacturing field. So this part includes the expert power, that which will be in the position of specialized and specific only. So those who can deal with the subject of any particular topic only can do, but not the other person. Telugu person dealing with the max is not how it is not possible. In the same way, expert power is explained over here. Is it clear, guys? Hope you have understood, and thank you.